The Toyota 4Runner key fob, primarily for fifth-generation models from 2014 to 2023 and the 2024 facelift, utilizes a CR232 battery. Begin by locating the small slot on the fob's edge, usually near the keyring. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the two halves of the fob. Remove the old CR232 battery. Replace it with a new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. Finally, snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. Important tips for replacing your 4Runner key fob battery include working in a dry environment to protect the electronics, removing any mechanical key first, and being gentle when opening the case to prevent scratches. Looking ahead, current fobs use disposable batteries, but future trends show rechargeable options and smartphone app integration for monitoring battery status. Toyota has enhanced designs in 2024 and newer models with improved waterproofing and durability, leading to fewer battery failures. Remember to recycle old CR2032 batteries properly, and if the fob fails, you can use the physical key stored inside it.